How to get Sam Smith frame on TikTok profile picture. Let's get started. First, update your TikTok app. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update your TikTok app. Then you can launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Now what you have to do is at the top right, you're gonna find this magnifying glass icon. Click on that. In the search box, type in Sam Smith. Now navigate to the profile page of the Sam Smith. Once you're over here, you're gonna find the frame of Sam Smith. Now press and hold on the profile picture of it. You're gonna get this option, add frame. Click on that. You'll be directed to this page. Now you have to complete few missions to get access to Sam Smith profile frame. Scrolling down, you're gonna find these steps. So you have to complete these steps. First, what you can do is spin the wheel for a lucky love song or choose from 5 other special songs to add to a music app. So you can scroll up. Here you're gonna find this option, spin the wheel. You can click on that. Now, you can add this song to the Spotify or music app. Once you do that, share this song to any of your friends. Then create a post with this song and the hashtag Valentine's Day on TikTok. Once it's created and visible to everyone, this mission will be marked as complete. Remind the person who received your song once they add it to their music app, favorites, or My Music and create a post. You both can enjoy Sam Smith frame. So this way you are able to get Sam Smith frame on TikTok profile picture. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.